Hello, I'm back again. It's me, Jerby, and I have a new recipe for you. This is still Waray cooking inspired food. It's a take on the old adobo. You know, if you're Filipino, you will really love adobo. So I'm gonna be cooking adobo the way we cook it. We call it adobadong nga hinatukan. My father taught me this recipe. So it's just the usual adobo with a twist because I'm putting coconut milk and a few herbs and spices that is inherent to where I am, which is Leyte, Tulad. I think you can hear Kenny Rogers being played in the background. That's not me. Okay? It's my neighbor. He always plays loud music every Sunday, almost every day. That's just okay. I'm here in the Philippines, so my father says we call this one adobado nga hinatukan.
Exacto nito. Drop. Slow drop.
Just like the usual adobo, you have peppercorns, lots of garlic, some onions if you want to, soy sauce, vinegar, and also some laurel leaves. So we kick off with chopping our ingredients. Now that we're finished chopping, we'll now cook the adobo. Cook the adobo. So it's about time for us to start the other part of the cooking, which is the preparation of the coconut milk. Now we come to part 2. We'll press the coconut milk off the coconut. All over. We will use this lemongrass and this turmeric for our coconut milk. We'll herb the coconut milk to finish the cooking. We'll put this in, 2 leaves of turmeric, and then of course the coconut milk.